Inside the latest update to PhotoRAW, we've made vast improvements and enhancements to many of the tools and features that you use daily. And one of those enhancements comes into the Map View feature. And the Map View feature is a powerful tool inside PhotoRAW that allows you to find and manage your image's location. Now using Map View, it's easier than ever to find and manage your image's location. Search results have been improved as well as panning and zooming for a more streamlined experience when using the maps. We've also added in the ability to sync location metadata across multiple photos in just a few clicks. Lastly, we've added in a location tab right inside of your photo's metadata so that you can find your location data really quickly. So inside PhotoRAW, let's just use the Map View feature real quick on a few different photographs. So with this photograph here, I know that I don't have any location metadata on this shot. And I can see that by clicking on my location tab here in my metadata pane for this photograph. And I can see that I have nothing over there. So if I want to assign a location to this photograph, I can head down and open up my map view by simply clicking right here on this icon, or I can just hit M on my keyboard. So now that I'm in map view here, I have this photo selected, and if I want to assign a location to it, I can either kind of hover over this and kind of pan to where the location is, or I can search for it in this search bar. So I'm just going to type into the search bar here, and I'll type in Cape Kiwanda. Just select this here. And now it's taken us to Cape Kiwanda, Oregon. So this photo was taken kind of right on this beach here, right in front of Haystack Rock. So I can see a better location by just clicking on this satellite option here. And now this is going to show me a satellite view. So I know that I was shooting in front of this rock right here, so I can see that it was about kind of right there on this beach. So I'll just click in here to zoom in, and to set my location right here, I'm just going to right click, and I'm going to click here to set the location. And once it's set that location, you can see it adds in the GPS coordinates over here for that photograph. And if I take a look at the bottom here in my film strip, I have a few different photographs that were taken at similar locations. So if I want to grab these photographs and give them all the same location, I can just select them in my Filmstrip View mode. Then I'll just zoom down here and I'll select the location that I want. And since I have multiple photos selected, it's asking me change metadata on all the selected photos. So I can just click OK here. Now this is going to update the GPS for all of these photos. And since I've added in the GPS coordinates, I can actually sync the location data to show me where that was taken as far as the city and state and country go. So I have this photograph here of my buddy Greg. So let's go up here and let's click Photo. And we're going to click Set Location from GPS Coordinates. So once I click on this, this is going to take these GPS coordinates and it's going to bring in an actual city location and it's going to apply it to these photographs so that I can see it inside of my location metadata. So if I click OK, these GPS coordinates are located in Pacific City, Oregon, United States. So now if I go through these different photos here, they're all synced up to the same location at Pacific City, Oregon in the US. Well, these photographs over here were actually taken with a drone, and drones are awesome at keeping the metadata location for the photographs. So if I zoom out a little bit here, I can see that this photograph was actually taken in Washington near Chinook, kind of on the Pacific side of the state. Well, if I zoom in here, I know that these textures here were taken kind of on this area over here, more near this kind of avenue right there. I actually drove down this lane, this Wilson Lane, and then these textures of this dried kind of pond were right in this area. So if I want to change the location metadata from a photograph that already has it, it's really easy to do that as well. So all I have to do is do the same thing, just right click on whatever area that I want. I'll just right click there, and then I'll just click here to set the location. So now it's switched up the GPS location and updated it to this location now. And I can do the same thing I did earlier. I can go up to Photo, Set Location from GPS Coordinates, and it's telling me that it was in Ilwaco, Washington, United States. So now I have the location metadata for those photographs, and it's easier to keep track of them and find out where they were taken in the future. So that's how to get the most out of your location metadata using ON1 Photo RAW 2020.1. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated whenever we drop new content. Thanks so much. Have a great week.